Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let's see how to use a CupertinoTabBar class. It's an iOS styled bottom navigation bar tab bar. The CupertinoTabBar also displays multiple tabs using the bottom navigation bar item, with one tab being active, the first tab by default, and it also works under a stateless widget which does not store any active tab itself. So you must listen to the on tab callback and call set state with the new current index for the new selection to reflect. So this can also be done automatically by wrapping this with the cappuccino tab scaffold. So the tab changes typically trigger a switch between navigators, each with its own navigation stack for standard iOS design. This can be done by using CupertinoTab views inside each tab builder in the CupertinoTab scaffold. So if the given background color opacity is not 1.0, which is the case by default, it will produce a blurring effect to the content behind it. As you see here, I will have my 3 tabs: tab 1, tab 2, and tab 3. So whenever I click a tab, it sets the current index. It keeps on setting the index, which I always capture here, and keep switching the text. So what does the CupertinoTab scaffold tab bar by default? The CupertinoTab bar has its own text scale factor set to 1 and does not respond to text scale factor changes from the operating system. To match the native iOS behavior and also to override its behavior, wrap each of the navigation bar's component inside the media query with the desired media query data text scale factor value. The text scale factor value from the operating system can be retrieved in many ways, such as querying the media query text scale factor of against the Cappuccino apps build context. So to cut things short, let's see how I've created this CupertinoTab bar. So it's a simple way. I have a stateful widget with a simple app bar. Yes, we are not focusing about that. Then the navigation bottom bar. Then I passed in a widget code. So it should be tab bar. Okay, let's name this too. So this widget tab bar returns the Cappuccino tab scaffold, and with the first child as the tab bar, CupertinoTab bar. Then inside that we pass the items, which are the bottom navigation bar items. So each bottom navigation bar item takes in an icon and a label, as you see here. So I have created 3 of them: tab 1, tab 2, and tab 3. So the tab builder also gets the context we are in, and also keeps on tracking the index, whereby it returns as the CupertinoTab view, which is also having a center widget with a child text view saying content of tab. Then we pass the index at which the user has selected, at which the selected tab is. So you see, it's a simple thing to implement. So first follow this. That's all about the CupertinoTab, and that's how you can implement it. It's simple. So whoever wants to get to understand more about the CupertinoTab scaffold, you can head to pub.dev for more information. But for today, that's all I can say for today. and that's how I implemented the captioner. For those who are trying to customize for the iOS versions, for the Flutter iOS app versions, you can consider using such things, iOS one, to fit the iOS UI. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.